Gadfish sent me over this Overlanding kitchen, and we're gonna take it out of the box, install it in the back of my Toyota 4Runner, and we're gonna go take it and use it and let you guys see what it looks like. Okay, it looks like a pretty easy install. Basically, you take the provided straps, you run them through the loops, and mount them to the truck straps. So we'll go ahead and do that. Get it kind of where we want it. Have to climb in to get this one. Now we take the provided ratchet strap here, feed our strap through it, just like that. We'll feed it back through it one more time. Make sure we're not twisted. Put it right where we want it. You could cut this off if you wanted, burn the end a little bit, just tuck it, and then we'll do the same to the back. Okay, I've got the back strapped in right there. Now we can try her out. So it's got two locks. First is your left lock, pick up on that, locks out. Second one, like that. And then we've got more stuff in the bottom. This is our foot. And plate for the foot. So this just screws in here. And then this is adjustable. Press it. Slide it to the height you need. So this will go underneath to support our kitchen. So we'll get it where we want it. So now our kitchen's supported. We got little drawers here, and these lock too. So comes with our little sink here, collapsible sink, and these are cool. They just pop open like that. Now we got a full sink put in there like that. Comes with this little guy right here, paper towel rack. So put that right there, hang your paper towels. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. We're gonna load up some stuff and we'll take her out camping. Okay, we're out at the park. Make this real easy. like that. Got it nice and secure. There's a deer over there. Set our water up. This will be nice here. Just like that. Stove ready. Get it going here. Just fill her with some water. It's that easy. And we'll get her on the burner. Get our paper towel holder out here. Just like that. Do a backpack meal today. It does come with some little hooks as well. You can hang these just wherever. Off your edge here. I'm gonna try the Backpacker's Pantry today. Kung Pao chicken with rice. This is 2 servings. Give it a try. Comes with peanuts. Pretty cool. Looks like we're boiling now. Pour our water in there. Now we just gotta wait 15 to 20 minutes and we'll be good to go. Okay, we're gonna add our peanuts. Does have a little spicy packet too. Probably skip that today. Got our camp forks out here. Okay, we'll give her a try. It's got a lot of flavor. So just that easy, guys. Show you what it looks like inside. So now we're done eating. We can easily clean up. I'll show you how easy it is to, you can wash your dishes right here. Get your dishes washed. Got paper towels here. Clean up all your kitchen, and when you're ready to, your water comes out here and you can dump it. Folds up, makes it easy. Everything goes back in. Take our hooks off. Just that easy, guys. Pretty awesome. Definitely recommend it.